Kirstyn, from the moment I met you, your smile lit up something in me that I didn't know was missing. During our first date, I knew I found someone special. From your love for your family and your friends, to your love for beer, barbecue, and sports, I knew this would be the start of something great.
James, my handsome groom, I am in awe that today I get to marry my favorite person and my very best friend. From the moment you entered my life, I felt a kind of peace that I'd never known. Like suddenly the weight of the world wasn't mine to carry alone, and all the chaos and anxiety rattling in my head felt quieter.
In 2018, I was gifted our first companion in Cody, our sweet angel, who has now become more attached to you than he ever was with me. That was also the year we learned just how far love can stretch. With living over 1,000 miles apart, long distance was very hard, but it showed me just how worth it you are.
Our love is calm, gentle, and patient. It uplifts and steadies me. You uplift and steady me. Together, we've built a life full of adventure and joy, silliness and shared dreams, and it has been the greatest honor of my life to call you my partner, and soon my husband. You are the personification of everything good in this world, and the greatest treasure of my life.
In summer 2017, suddenly we weren't just dreaming about a life together, we were living it. From the mountains of Colorado to the lakes of Minnesota and to the comfort of Indianapolis, we've made homes out of apartments and adventures out of moving trucks. We even added Baggy to our chaos, because why stop at one animal when you can have two with completely different personalities? And then the proposal, the moment that surprised me even though I always knew it would be you. You who always makes the ordinary feel magical and the wild moments feel like home. I love how smart you are, how driven you are, how your love for sports rivals any die-hard fan, and yet you still somehow manage to be graceful and fierce all at once. Your strength inspires me, your goals push me, and your soul makes me believe in something bigger than luck or timing. It makes me believe in fate. You are my rock, you are my teammate, my greatest cheerleader.
I'm so excited for the years to come, ordering ramen on the first snow day of the year, continuing our everlasting hunt for the best breakfast biscuit and barbecue, trying to make you laugh at my terrible dad jokes, cheering for our teams through every win and loss, exploring the reefs of Key West, the vineyards of Italy, and the eclectic food of Japan. And one day when we're splitting our years between our Indiana lake house and our Florida beach cottage, with cold beer in the cooler, Jimmy and Kenny on the radio, I can't wait to look over and see you next to me the way it was always meant to be. I promise you this, James. I will always choose you with intention, not only on the beautiful days, but on the ordinary and difficult days too. I will always cherish you for who you are and support you in becoming who you want to be. I will always encourage your dreams and help shoulder our challenges. I will always be your home base just as you've been mine for all these years. You are the love I never thought I'd find and the one I never want to lose. And I know I can be indecisive, but marrying you and giving you my whole heart for my whole life is the easiest and best decision I'll ever make. There will never be enough days on this earth, but I will love you for every single one of them.
I vow to always support you the way you support me, even if it means watching every single Pacers and Colts game of the season. I promise to celebrate your wins, comfort you in your losses, and stand by you through every challenge. I promise to keep laughing with you even when life gets hard, and most of all, I vow to never stop choosing you every day for the rest of my life. Kirstyn, do you take me to be your husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until death do us part?
I do. James, do you take me to be your wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until death do us part?
I do.
Cool. Ooh, hardware. God.